Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on the Gardenscapes game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Gardenscapes game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken through the basic tutorial levels if you're playing the game for the first time. Once you have completed the basic tutorials, you will unlock much more areas within the game, and you will gain new features the more you play and advance through the levels. You can see your current level at the bottom right corner, and with each level that you complete, you will progress further within the game. Now, when you reach level 6, you will see the team's icon at the bottom left corner. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will gain access to leaderboards. If you tap on friends at the bottom section, you will see all of your friends that you have. Now, until you reach level 36, as you are told within the About Teams option, you will not be able to add friends. However, you can still unlock in-game friends by tapping on the game menu at the bottom left and then tapping on Feed. Within the Feed section, you can tap on Friends at the right side and you will see all of your current in-game friends. You can unlock more and more friends as you advance through the levels within the game. And there you have it. That is how you can add friends within your game on Gardenscapes. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.